Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dreamy soft focus effect in your video by using CapCut app. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project and then add it to your timeline. Here, if you tap on effects, then you guys will find out video effect. Tap on here and then scroll like this. Then tap on night clap. Here if you scroll down, then you guys will find out throw option. Tap on here. Then put it at the beginning of your video. And then add this effect called flickery shots. After that, adjust it like this. Add another effect called Unreal 2. Now it's time to extend the two effects. And now your video is ready. Here you guys will find out a dreamy and soft focus effect. So this is how you guys can create a dreamy soft focus effect in your video by using CapCut app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.